This boy's suffering is just beginning. Rematullah will carry the burden of polio for the rest of his life. He's one of the newest cases in Pakistan, where the number of those contracting the virus is going up. I wish to God the polio workers would come, says his mother, but people in our area stopped them. My child's future has been ruined and nobody cares. This was the fate of two young female health workers who did go to her neighbourhood, shot dead for trying to vaccinate against polio.
Even though they were innocent, they were killed. When they heard the firing, they tried to run away, but they were shot in the legs. When they fell to the ground, the gunmen aimed at their faces.
But Gulnaz is one of Pakistan's true polio heroines. Even though her two relatives were killed, she continues to go out to vaccinate children. Now, though, health workers like her need an armed guard in many areas. Other places are considered far too dangerous to go to at all, particularly where the Pakistani Taliban have most influence. But why would anyone be so violently opposed to protecting children against polio? These clerics say they do now support polio immunization, but that they, like many others here, had long been suspicious of the vaccine.
We have view that this is donated by America or the European countries. So we have in concept that because they are non-Muslim countries, they are our enemies. So we think that they have something in this vaccination which is not good for us.
It's led to extremists prohibiting vaccination in the entire tribal belt, where most cases are now being reported. Well, people here are having to be innovative because the Pakistani Taliban have banned polio immunization inside the tribal areas. Pakistan is now stopping any buses that come out of those areas on major routes like this, and with the help of security, polio vaccinators are boarding the buses and immunizing children on the spot. But this is a hit and miss strategy. Hundreds of thousands of children in the northwest of Pakistan and in other areas like this where militants hold sway are falling through the gaps. Here they're becoming more at risk of contracting this debilitating yet totally preventable disease than anywhere in the world. Aleem Maqbool, BBC News in Karachi.